Do you know the difference between people who just survive and people who build lasting wealth? Millionaires follow habits that anyone can start today, and I'm going to share them with you in the next 2 minutes. 1. Wake up early. Millionaires value time. Waking up early gives them quiet hours to focus, plan, and get ahead of the world. 2. Read and learn daily. Knowledge compounds like money. By reading and learning every day, they keep their mind sharper than their competition. 3. Invest consistently. Wealth isn't built overnight. It grows like a tree. Millionaires invest regularly, no matter how small, and let compounding do the magic. 4. Stay fit, stay rich. Good health is the foundation of wealth. They know a strong body fuels a strong mind. 5. Network with the right people. Your network is your net worth. Millionaires surround themselves with people who inspire and push them higher. 6. Build multiple incomes. They never rely on just one source of money. Salaries, businesses, investments. They build multiple streams of income. 7. Think long-term. Millionaires stay disciplined and play the long game. They climb steadily, focusing on the trophy at the top, not quick wins. So which habit will you start today? Remember, wealth is built step by step. Start now, stay consistent, and your future self will thank you.